Compounds of nitrogen. 1. Ammonia. Ammonia is a hydride of nitrogen. It is produced in nature when nitrogenous matter is decomposed by heat or putrefying bacteria in the absence of air. As a result, small traces of it may be present in the air. However, because of its great solubility in water, it rapidly dissolves in warm water and is absorbed in the soil, where it may be converted into other compounds. Laboratory preparation of ammonia. By heating ammonium salt with a base, example, ammonium sulfates, ammonium chlorides, ammonium nitrates with calcium hydroxides, potassium hydroxide, sodium hydroxide, etc. Usually, calcium hydroxide is used because it is cheap and not deliquescent like sodium hydroxide and potassium hydroxide. Note, the neck of the flask is mounted to be floating downwards. To avoid the water formed during the reaction from running back into the apparatus, into the reaction and breaking it, the ammonia evolved is dried by passing it through quicklime. The common drying agents like fused calcium chlorides and concentrated hydrochloric acid are not used to dry ammonia because they will react with it. That is, ammonia reacts with sulfuric acid to give ammonium sulfate and water. Calcium reacts with ammonia to give a complex calcium ammonia chloride. The dried ammonia gas is collected by upward delivery because it is lighter than air. Physical properties. It is a colorless gas with a characteristic choking smell which is poisonous to the respiratory muscles if large quantities are taken in. Being an alkali gas, it turns down red litmus paper blue. It is lighter than air. Ammonia is easily liquefied under high pressure, hence making it suitable as a refrigerant. It is the most soluble gas known, being very soluble in water. Chemical properties. Reactions with oxygen. Ammonia burns in pure oxygen with a greenish yellow flame to form nitrogen and water. Reaction with water. Ammonia gas dissolves very well in water to form ammonia solution, also known as ammonium hydroxide. On warming aqueous ammonia, it readily decomposes to form or liberate ammonia gas. As a reducing agent, ammonia is a weak reducing agent, reducing black copper oxide when heated to reddish brown copper, and itself is oxidized to nitrogen and water. The presence of water is shown by a change of anhydrous copper sulfate from white to blue. Chlorine reacts with excess ammonia to produce ammonium chloride, while in limited amounts to produce nitrogen chloride. Test for ammonia gas. It is a colorless gas with a pungent smell, which changes down red litmus paper blue. A cup dipped in concentrated hydrochloric acid will form white fumes of ammonium chloride if in contact with ammonia. Uses of ammonia. It is used to soften temporarily hard water, as a solvent to remove grease and oil stains in industries, as a cooling agent in refrigerators because of its low boiling point and easy liquefaction under pressure, to manufacture nitrates and washing soda to manufacture nitrogenous fertilizers such as ammonium nitrates, ammonium nitrites, ammonium phosphate, ammonium salts. These are electrovalent compounds which contain the ammonium ion as the cation. They resemble the alkaline metal salts. Laboratory preparation: by dissolving ammonia in an appropriate acid. Ammonia dissolves in hydrochloric acid to give ammonium chloride. Ammonia dissolved in sulfuric acid gives ammonium sulfate. Ammonia dissolved in nitric acid gives ammonium nitrate. The salts are removed or recovered from solution by crystallization and not by evaporation because they decompose on heating. The common ammonium salts are white crystalline solids which are very soluble in water. Action of heat on some ammonium salts. Ammonium chloride sublimes on heat to give ammonia and hydrogen chloride gas. Ammonium sulfate decomposes to give ammonia and sulfuric acid. Ammonium nitrates decomposes to give dinitrogen oxide and water. When ammonium nitrate is heated gently, ammonia gas and nitric acid are produced. Ammonium nitrite decomposes to give nitrogen and water. Ammonium carbonate decomposes to give carbon dioxide, water, and ammonia. Test for ammonium salts. The unknown salt is heated with aqueous sodium hydroxide. If a gas with a choking smell as ammonia is produced, and the gas turns red litmus paper blue, the substance is an ammonium salt. Uses of ammonium salts. As fertilizers, example, ammonium sulfate, ammonium nitrate, ammonium phosphate. Concentrated forms are used as weed killers in the manufacture of explosives, as electrolyte in dry cells, and as a flux in tin plating, galvanizing, and soldering.